I'm Kunal Rai from Cross Limited. We have been associated with Great Designs for the past 2 years, and we got in touch with them via their websites. The services we have availed from Great Designs and how they have helped us out is via brochure designing as well as printing, photography. We have also got our calendars customized with our products and infrastructure. We've also made a short documentary and a corporate film about our own company. They are also into graphic designing and website development as well. All I could say about Great Designs is, their services are very professional, they are very quality conscious, they're very efficient, and his entire team is very dedicated. And the services what they promise before the start of the project till everything is delivered is very, very good. So we have great association with Great Designs, and we will continue to have that as well. In future, we expect the entire world to go into digitalization, and we expect more digital platforms to be developed where you and I could work together. That is the main thing.